Kelly will be covering the trial for us, and we'll hear from her throughout the day here on Court TV as we ramp up to coverage next week.
All right, and joining us now to discuss this, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar is here with us. Michael, it's good to see you. Let's talk about that motion to intervene and delay. I know we don't know what the details are, but if you have an attorney who's not one of the parties in the case coming in to try and intervene, what does that sometimes mean, and could it impact things in terms of how things are moving in the courtroom?
It's going to be very inflammatory. I'm really curious to see why an outside party wants to intervene in the case, to delay the case. Usually this happens whenever there's some sort of a civil trial on the side. There's no civil trial in this case that I'm aware of, but maybe there might be one that might be filed. There's a ton of parties, by the way, that are affected. Whenever two kids are murdered, they have collateral relatives, direct relatives. So I'm kind of curious to find out what that's about, but it's obviously going to delay things. The jury isn't going to be privy to it, but it's going to be all over the internet, and the juries, as we know now, they're on the internet. They say they're not, but they are, and they understand what's happening. So this can serve to help one side or the other, depending on what we're going to see in this motion.